A new trading day, and we're currently on GU. Looking at GU, you can see that from yesterday we saw price, okay, close, came into this trend line area, and there's a support area on the daily time frame. Rejected close with enough buying pressure, okay. So this kind of here now tells us that there are buyers more or less in this area, and from yesterday, okay. When the market opened, I said I was expecting price to make a quick move to this area before seeing this move down, but the market didn't play out like that. So what I'm looking out for on this pair is still a short kind of setup. So we could come back into 127,500, push back down, and then look to continue to the upside, because okay, first off, there's dissonance in the market. Okay, we're seeing that the daily structure is bullish. Okay, so the daily structure is making high, 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 low, high, 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 low, high, high. Okay, high, low. The 4 hour structure is more or less in a seller's type setup since we broke this support area here. Seeing this higher low, tap back into the high, broke the higher low. So we could expect price to play around this region, okay, before eventually continuing to the upside on this pair. So uh, what I would urge now is to wait to see how this pair trades tomorrow. Okay, especially in the morning, because there will be news released tomorrow for the British pound. So we'll see how that affects the market, and also look at what direction the news pushes the market to. So if we break this area here, this is a clear sign for short moves to the downside. But if we don't, and price more or less continues, if we were to see a break of 275, I would simply wait for that retest of that 275 area and then a long to the upside. If this daily momentum currently pushing to the upside continues, this will be my setup. Okay, look for price breaking 27500, retesting the area, and then continuing to the upside. But if it doesn't, and price more or less breaks below this region, we know we are clearly now in a seller's type setup. Okay, and we could more or less be looking at this and even more pushes to the downside. But this the CPI coming out on Wednesday, and there's a claimant count coming out tomorrow. So we just have to be mindful of this pair. So I'll have to wait to see okay how the news affects the market before I make my decision and in what direction the market is looking to go. So uh that's the update for you guys that trade Gbpusd. Just we'll be waiting for a break of 27500 to retest of that area and continue upside, or a break of this counter trend and support area retest and then continue to the upside. But right now the market is just floating in the midpoint area here. So there is no point to taking any position right here, because if we sell here, the market could easily continue the bullish momentum to the upside. If you go long here, the market could easily continue this bearish momentum to the downside. So the best thing to do right now is not to buy, not to sell, but to wait for the market to make a decision and then react to that decision. So check up with you guys. Um, I'll check up with you guys before the news later today, and at the end of the trading day too. So let's get this